Let me show you how to create a mockup in Photoshop. First, roughly measure the width and height of the can. Choose the line tool. Follow this process. Delete these layers. We don't need them anymore. Choose the rectangle tool. Click anywhere on the screen. Follow these settings. Choose the Move tool. Double-click here, and let's change the color. Press Ctrl+T and scale it while holding the Shift button. Right-click here and choose Convert to Smart Object. Let's rename this layer. Reduce the fill. Press Ctrl+T. Rotate it like this and scale it accordingly. Right-click and choose Warp. Follow this process. Try to make the rectangle as close as possible to the can. When you finish, press Enter. Set the fill back to 100%. Choose the Pen tool. Use the Pen tool to create a selection, which I already did. Let me load the saved selection. Create a new group. Add a layer mask to that group. Drag this layer inside the group like this. Double-click here. Drag your design to Photoshop. Save it and close the tab. Go back to the main image. Change the blending mode to linear burn. Now let's create the background. Let me load the saved selection that I have already made. This selection has the whole can with this upper part. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose the color that you like. Click on the mask. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Change the blending mode to linear burn. Now we can see the shadow of the can. Last step. Choose the can layer. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Drag this layer on top of the layer. Put it inside the folder layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Reduce the exposure so that we can show the shines of the image. Also add some whites. When you finish, press OK. Change the blending mode to screen. Reduce the fill. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below if you have any questions.